Let me show you how simple it is to create a discount codes on Shopify store. So the first thing when you are in admin panel, you just need to select here discounts and then you can create ones. So to create discounts, you press here to create. You have multiple options. You can create amount of the product or amount of the whole order or buy this product, get that product for free or free shipping just as a discount. So let's go with the most common one, amount of. So you need to decide it's automatic discount. It works on specific products or specific amount customer has to spend, or it's just a discount code. For discount code, you just press generate or just create your own one. Then you decide what amount of should be or just a fixed one on should it work on specific products or on specific collections. So and then other thing is if that customer needs to spend specific amount to qualify for the discount. Example, if he spends 100 euros, he will get then 20% only off. And is the discount eligible on specific customers or to all customers also? And then you can limit a use per discount code or per discount for the customer, like limit to one use per customer. And you can combine with your other discount codes. Then you just set up the date when the discount expires or it never expires, and then you just save it and your discount is available. And that's super simple to create it. What you can else do, you can share those discount codes with your existing customers or create for them. When or you have a real life events, just print them out, give out to the customers, and like with the codes like 20% off till Friday, or visit this site. So there are a lot of things you can play around, and it works. In e-commerce, discounts works. Just need to figure out how to deliver them to customer to improve your conversion rates. And if you need any help, just let me know in the comments section.